Hey everyone, have you connect cursor with any database? Cursor do the auto programming is very powerful. Actually, if you connect it to a database, it can also help you to manage the database. Today, I will show the MCP tools I created allow you to connect cursor to any database with a JDBC driver. I already create another tools allow cursor connect to the Oracle database and show the capability how AI can help you to manage the database. If you are interested, just please watch my another video. Okay, so if you want to connect cursor to a database, please go to this project, and you can see it able to allow you to connect many of the database, and also provide the danger SQL review pop-up and all SQL execution audit log. Let me demo how to use it. Okay, so we go to release page, download the latest version, and you will got just a zip file. You need to unzip it, and you got 3 files, and a user guide. Open the user guide, and it requires you to download a JDK first, Java 11 and later. Just install it in your system, then you can run the tools. Okay, then we configure the config file. There has an example. Remove the example and dot, and use any text editor to open it. They already have a pre-defined template. I have two databases today, MySQL and PostgreSQL. I just copy my configuration here. The configuration is exactly same as how you use JDBC driver to connect to that database. You can easily find the documents online. And DB tab is tell the tools and AI what kind of the database you are using. You can refer the DB tags from the help guide here. And there has some the danger keyword. If the AI try to run any SQL, hit the keyword, it will pop up the review. You can review. You can get the detail in the help guide. Then the configuration is done. Let me add it to the cursor. So go to the cursor setting, MCP, add MCP tools. Then we follow the guide to prepare this section. Basically, just specify the path where you download the tools. Okay. By the way, you need to download the JDBC library for the database you're going to connect. Basically, you can go to the main repository, download the jar. This is for MySQL. I already downloaded the latest version. I just copy them to the tools folder and create a new folder, lab, to host those jar. Then we configure it in the cursor. You will see I have a pre-defined configuration just here. We paste it into cursor setting with the tools jar path, the JDBC library path, and also the configuration file path. That's all. Let's save it. You see the tools already able to use. It has 5 predefined capability for the AI to use: execute SQL file, list connection, spool data to CSV file, and spool data to text file. Let me show how to use it. The AI will try to learn the MCP tools by the guide we provided, and it find the list connection command and just run it and show both databases connect able, right? Then we let AI to create a table. Okay. You will see even we go back to the page, you do other things, the pop-up, the SQL review pop-up will show up in case the AI try to run some SQL and hit this create keyword. This time is for the create, right? And only you click the execute button, the AI, our MCP tools will help you run the SQL. I think the table already created. MySQL is a database tool, right? We run the query. See the table already created. Then feed some data into the table 10 records. Okay. The insert to the table with 10 records. The insert is also a keyword, let's say actually you can manage the keyword you want. You just read the document for detail. The whole text match and the command match is different. We use a SQL parser help you to improve the result. You can just read the document for detail. Then let me show connect to PSQL database. Okay. You see how AI read data and the table structure from this database to another database. They are different, right? They are different database type. Database PSQL create table, same thing, right? And follow with insert to PSQL database. And I think the data is already there. It's PSQL database, same thing, exactly same, right? That was AI did for us automatically. Now we're going to review what SQL the AI actually executed in the database. We just go to the tools folder. There has an audit log file. Let me open it. You see AI tries to execute create. This is the command, and we approved it, and the run result is successful. Then it insert 10 records on the MySQL database, right? And they do a select to confirm that, and then they do a create table on MySQL or pSQL database. We also approve that, and they do a insert and a select to confirm each of the SQL commands with the time, database, and the user approval was logged in the audit log file, allow you to review later. Yeah, I think that's all for the demo today. It's just enable you to connect to any database and to use AI to do a more complex work than the demo, right? If you want it, just please try my tools and don't forget to share it. Thank you.